Okay, so this is the code that I spent the last 2 weeks on. It's pretty simple, doesn't look too complicated, it really isn't. So unpacking this step by step. Okay, so first things first, the automatic thing that I want to show you is our fun right here. See, it says red, set cursor, hello, my friend, green, yellow, and red. So that appears on here, red, yellow, and this is green, and it keeps flashing weird colors according to my thing. Real nice. And then we have the 3 flashing dots. Originally, it was just one of them flashing, and this one in the middle doesn't want to flash. Don't exactly know why. Trying to figure that out. So this is, but anyway, this is the TFT circle screen board thing, and we're using the same KS560 board that we've been using for the past, too long to count, past couple weeks,
Years.
month, few months. Yeah, so, okay. So unloading this, I was trying to get the words centered because originally they were like way down here and off center and like in this corner box right there, which was really annoying, and I am a perfectionist when it comes to this kind of thing. So my brain went, yep, you need to adjust that. So I went on to my code, my wonderful little code. I love my little code. Codes are wonderful. So with this, it uses the basic grid system of X by Y. You do have, I will say, it says set cursor, like here. Set cursor, if I change the numbers to change the code, it will change where it is positioned if I change these 2 numbers, because this is X and then this is Y. This is the same format that is used in any, I'm pretty sure, of the print things. It does set cursor, we'll do the color, and then we'll do print the word. So this is a code that I actually had Google pull up, and I had to have Google fix it a couple times because we can't just do anything simple here, so we had to have fun. So every single color, each one is actual. I found out this when I was doing the circles, which I'll get to in a second. Each one actually has a number. For example, starting from the beginning, red is actually 0, and then green is 1, and then we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 going on. We have circles. When we first did the circle, there was only 1, and the code did not look like this. The code was actually looked a little more complicated and listed each color flashing. This is way easier because it's just like, here, you can put in a whole new, in this code, it was only these 2, the first 2, and I had to actually move them out by adjusting X and Y, which for this is 70 and 80. And then I actually had to adjust them out to put, and then do a little bit of easy math to figure out the middle. Pretty simple. The 18 keeps them so they're on the same plane. Sorry, 18 is their diameter, so it makes them all the same size, which actually makes sense. For each of these, you will notice the C1, C2, C3 in each of these. That is because I have to specifically name each circle, or else it will say I copied, because Adafruit is different than MakeCode. And I learned this when trying to copy the circles originally. You can't just copy and paste the code like you can in MakeCode. It does not work that way, which really sucks because it's highly annoying, and I have to rewrite an entire code because it's annoying. Yeah, so that's basically what we did. Oh, and pins. We had a fun conversation about pins with Google. Basic orientation